Hi everyone, it's Helen here and thank you for joining me today for a really quick tutorial. Now today's my birthday and today I decided just to have some fun, and I'm going to be doing up my craft room because I've got brand new furniture and I'm still sorting everything out and adding some nice pretty things here. So all of my furniture is white and these have been really popular this Christmas, so I got one of these for Christmas, so I've put my my YouTube channel name on there, but when I turn it on it's really bright. So let's just let that adjust. And when I have this on in the evenings, it really does just like glare in my eyes. So I've decided I'm going to print some nice patterned paper onto some printable acetate. Now I've done this before, and I'm going to insert them for these three things here. So let's get all these off first. So the collection I've chosen is from Knitwit Designs. It's a collection that I've used before. It's called Loving Life, and I'll be putting all the links for that down below, and there'll be some more pictures coming up of the collection at the end of the video as well. So I've gone for like a teal and white colour for my craft area, so I've chosen some perfect papers for that. Let's get this one off as well, and I've printed it out already. Here it is. So this should match all the other sorts of teal things I have popping around in the craft room. And I also have another video where I made something very similar to this using the same collection as a picture, and I'll be putting that into a shadow box frame, and that will be white as well. So this should match the picture that I've made. So I'll pop the link for that one down below as well. So this is just a really quick and simple video. So I did try to print this onto vellum, but my printer ate it for breakfast and spat it out all chewed up, so I'm not going to try vellum again in my printer. So my box may be different to any box that you have. So I'm going to take one of my letters here, and because this is a UK thing, I'm based in the UK, it's going to be in centimetres, so I've tried to look for it in inches, but it just works out better for me to measure in centimetres. You can barely actually see this because it's so see-through, but this measures 6.5 centimetres, so that's going to be the height for this. So I'm going to cut myself 3 strips at 6.5. So yeah, I've been having quite a lot of fun doing up my craft area. It's taking a little bit of time because I'm working as well as being a mum at the same time, so it is taking me a while, but there will be a whatchamacallit coming, let's think of the word, a craft tour sort of video coming along. Okay, so I've got that left over. So a quick tip, I managed to, these are 12 by 12, so it's a square piece, a square JPEG basically. So to get this to fit on my A4 sheet of paper, all I did was click fit to page, and now that kind of just zooms in. It doesn't stretch or warp the image at all, it just zooms in, and then you can print that out. So that's really good, and if you have one of those 12 by 12 printers, then lucky you really. I'd love one of those. I'm just going to take this off. So the acetate that I've used, I should really show you that, shouldn't I? It's from Crafter's Companion, so I've had a good go at this. It's the Printable Inkjet Acetate, so there'll be a link for that one down below as well. And also with this collection you get some alphas as well, so you can even print off your own alphas to stick into your light box as well, so you can really get quite creative with this. So let's slide these in, see how it goes. Yep, I'm happy with that. Okay, what I did do is I didn't change the setting on my printer here. As you can see, there's a border around there, so I need to make sure that my printer next time is going to display borderless. Okay, I'm really happy with how that looks. Let's turn that on. Let the lights adjust. It looks a lot better in person, but I'm really happy with that. That's not going to glare in my eyes so much now in the evenings. So let's get some of these letters put back in again. Let's put the UK in first, and then I'll go off camera and then I'll pop the rest in. So we'll put UK at the bottom. Slide that along. Turn that on. Oh, I'm loving that. That's looking really good. Okay, so I'll be back in one moment with all the other letters put on. And ta-da! Here it is. It's lovely. I love it. I absolutely love it, and I can't wait to get this displayed on my shelf. Let's turn it on again. Wait for it to adjust. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and get some better photographs with some different lighting, and those will be coming up as well. And there'll be a blog post for this. That link will be down below for that one as well, and there'll be some pictures there too, and all the things that I've used here as well. So, but there will be product links down below as well for all the collections and the acetate as well. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this. I'm looking forward to it because now I'm thinking I can actually change out this acetate every now and then. So at Christmas time I can print out something from the Christmas collections, you know, Easter, any sort of like Halloween even. So I'm going to have loads of fun with this over the coming year. So, and then I can just keep these somewhere safe and then switch them out when I need to. Okay, so if you like this this project, give me a thumbs up. You can't see my thumb. There we go. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe if you want to see some more stuff like this, and there'll be plenty more tutorials coming over in the next month or so. So thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.